resume our chapter transportation of substances. In earlier classes we have discussed about the transportation system, which mainly consists of circulatory system and excretory system. So in our previous two classes we have discussed about the circulatory system. In circulatory system we have got about the blood, we have learned about blood vessels, then we have learned about heart. In blood vessels we have learned what are arteries, veins, then capillaries. Then we have learned different chambers of heart, how blood pumps from one chamber to another chamber, oxygenated, deoxygenated differences, oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, pure blood, impure blood. We have learned all this in our previous classes. So let's move forward to another important topic from this chapter, which is excretory system in human. So excretory system means what? See, we eat food. All the foods are not digested or not absorbed properly in our body. So what we call to that food? We call it undigested food. So undigested food is converted into feces. Feces, which are then excreted away, means removed away from our body. So these undigested food are not good for our body. They are more like toxic for our body. So they have to move away, they have to taken away from our body. So they have to excrete away from our body. So this process is called excretion. Removal of waste products from our body is called excretion. Okay. So we have human being have many excretory organs like sweat glands. Sweat is also an excretory product. But the main excretory organ, if we consider that it is kidney, where urine is formed. So we learn about the excretory system in human. This is a very rough diagram of kidney, urinary bladder. Okay, let me write the parts. This is called kidney. This is ureter. This is urinary bladder, and this is called urethra. This is kidney, this is ureter, this is urinary bladder, and this is called urethra. So kidney is what? Kidney is it looks like bean shaped in structure. Bean shaped structure, they are generally dark red in color. Inside it we will get many small microscopic structure which are called nephrons. What does it do? Actually inside kidney many other numerous microscopic structures are there. When you will go in higher classes, you might get there. But till now you remember this, that many microscopic structures are there which are called nephrons. So nephrons, what it does, it filters out the blood. It filters out the unwanted substances present in the blood in the form of urine. So next part is our ureter. Ureter is a muscular tubular structure. It looks like tube, right? So it is tubular structure which carries urine from kidney to urinary bladder. So ureter starts from kidney and ends in urinary bladder. So urinary bladder, what it does, it stores. It is a pear shape, little bit like pear shaping structure. So it stores urine. It can store urine up to 0.5 to 1 liter. It has the capacity to store urine up to 1 liter. So the next opening is urinary bladder opens into urethra. This is the last part where from which urine excretion takes place. So this is basically the rough diagram of excretory system in human. Like that, human excretes in the form of like many animals. Different animals excrete in different forms. For example, human excretes in the form of urea. Fishes excretes in the form of ammonia. And birds and reptiles excretes in the form of uric acid. So human excretes in the form of urea, fishes excretes in the form of ammonia, and birds and reptiles excretes in the form of uric acid. So a normal human being, a normal adult person can pass urine up to 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. They can pass 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. That means in a day. So this is and we know that the urine composition. This is also very important. Urine composition. So in human being, it consists of 95%. Yes, 95% of water. H2O means water. 95% of water. Then 2.5% as urea, since human excretes in the form of urea. Then again 2.5% as other unwanted substances are present. So the maximum amount of which component is present in urine? Water. So 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other unwanted substance. So today we have learned about the excretory system in human being. We have learned about the function, little bit about the function of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Then we know that different animals excrete in many forms. Like fishes are excrete in certain way, birds in certain way, and in certain form, and humans in certain form. So we know the composition of urine in case of human being. So this is all for today. See you in the next class.